Connect your scanner to the computer in serial mode. To stream audio, connect an audio cable from the scanner to the audio in on the computer. Configure your sound settings so the audio input is the audio from the scanner. In the app, select the port for the scanner and click the Connect button. For remote access, click the Enable Remote Control button and check the Audio Stream checkbox to allow streaming. Now log into the ScannerMonitor.com website to control your scanner and to hear audio.
He's requesting assistance getting back to the campsite or shelter for him and his wife. He advised
found this vehicle.
Fire alarm. Truck respond cold. Respond on Bravo 2. Engine 5901 Commerce Street. Fire alarm. Truck respond cold.
Engine 16, Engine 19, Engine 17, Engine 9, Engine 5, Truck 19, Power 17, Rescue 13, District 8, District 9, District 17, Medic 2, 1410, Medical Center Drive, cross of Pierce Avenue and Dixie Place, 1, high-rise fire.